So how you can make, as you can see over here, over 2,000 euros or dollars in one day with affiliate marketing. Now maybe you're doing Clickbank, maybe you're doing any other network like MaxWeb, Digistore. It doesn't really matter. Okay, network is a network. You can choose any offer, but in this video I'm going to give you exactly overview, as you can see over here, how you can replicate the same model for yourself. Okay, because when it comes to affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads or Facebook ads, right, it's very important to understand on what traffic network you're going, right? So not all traffic sources are the same. Google, for example, you go there to look for buyers, instant purchases, right? On Facebook, it's social media platform like Instagram. So the most important thing when it comes to selling to marketing, let's say marketing to cold, ice cold traffic, mean that cold audiences, people who never heard of your offer or you, is to remember what language you're using, what targeting details you're using, and what is the mindset of the audience when they see your Facebook ad or Google ad. So let me show you this, right? But before going further, you can find out later more about me on my Instagram. You can follow me, right? Because it's my private account, so you can follow me. I'll accept you. You can chat me over there, right? You can ask me any questions you want when it comes to Clickbank, paid advertisement, Google ads, Facebook ads, or affiliate marketing in general, okay? So let's go straight into it, right? So what is the key to make profitable affiliate marketing campaigns, right? The first thing is you have to remember over here is the key is to match the language patterns, okay, to match the mind states of certain customer segments. So if you don't understand what I mean by that, you can see like on Clickbank, many of these gurus are not sharing the real behind the scenes, right, behind the curtain secrets when it comes to marketing online, right? It's not about AI voices. It's not about AI software. It's about understanding your audience on a deeper level, right? Psychology of ads, how does anatomy of ads, how to set up the ads correctly, what kind of color to use in your images, what kind of questions to ask, right? All this matters, right? Because at the end of the day, all the audiences are not the same. They don't equal the sameness, right? Females, males. So the language you're using must be very different, right? You cannot do copy and paste things. I know it sounds easy, lots of gurus love to share AI will do all works for you, but it's a big scam. At the end, you find out you lost money, right? So if you really want to succeed, make $10,000 to $30,000 or euros per month with Clickbank affiliate marketing or any other side hustle, passive income, it's possible, yes, but you have to understand those keys. So let's go straight into these keys, right? The first thing you have to understand is this, okay? We have emotional hot buttons, hot buttons. Let's call them emotional states. So why this is important? Look, let me give you an example. I'm on my iPhone, right? If I go on Facebook, do you think that I wake up in the morning to look for something to buy on Clickbank, some supplement? I can't wait to see someone post on Facebook ad for Clickbank supplements so I can lose my weight or gain muscle. Of course not, right? It's social media for a reason. So your ads must be a little bit more social, and you have to keep it in direct response style, right? So you don't get shut down, you don't get in the gray area. You're doing not black hat marketing, but white hat. It means everything by the rules. So you don't have to be stressful, going to sleep, waking up thinking, oh, it's my ad account going to be shut down tomorrow, right? If you do everything correctly, and if you have someone who help you one-on-one, step by step, of course you can get the results much more easier, right? So as you can see over here, it's all about emotional states. So we have low emotional states and we have high emotional states, right? So why this is very important, because lots of these states of people like you may be thinking, okay, who is the person who's buying these weight loss products, back pain products, diabetes products, cancer products on Clickbank, right? Who are those people? Those people are usually desperate, right? Desperate, sick people who need solution right now. So they are instant buyers. Now it's entirely up to you how you use the knowledge I'm giving you right now. You can be ethical, not ethical, I don't care. What I'm trying to tell you is that who is the audience? You have to understand, okay, are there females, males? Okay, they have, let's say 45 years old. Okay, living in, I don't know, USA. Now you must know much more than this, of course. So what I'm giving some people is exactly methods of how to structure ads, structure of ads, framework, which is very, very important. Why? Because you see, once we start running ads, you'll see you can spend, for example, you can spend $100 on Facebook ads or Google ads, let's say Google pay-per-click, right, and make back $400 or let's say $350 in the same day. Why? Because cost per click can be reduced, okay? Can be lower if you use the right words in your ads. Facebook algorithm will scan the images, the text. So if you are in the dating space, relationships, make money online, weight loss, personal growth, manifestation, law of attraction, self-help, survival, solar, gaming, whatever, you have to have relevancy in your ads, right? Message to the market match. And once you do that, like this, just like this, you can get cost per click cut down. So it means that you can spend more money on ads, you can afford more money and get more sales, more results, right? So this is the end goal. Now I won't go into details, but if you want to know exactly how to put this into the action, once you work together, you will quickly begin to realize how naturally you can put those things into action without procrastinating. Just put $25 per day in ad campaign. We set up 3 ad campaigns, each $20 per day. You spend $60. You make $60 back, and maybe you make $200 or $300 more back in the same day, right? Because you're looking for one winner and then scale, all right? So it's very important to understand these states and time frames and time zones, time frames of certain customers segments, right? So what you can do next, as you're watching this video right now, maybe you tried different things, maybe you lost money in the past, maybe you're scared to give money to someone, maybe you're scared to get coaching, mentorship, right? But at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, do you really want to watch free YouTube videos all day long? Do you really want to buy $3,000 courses to watch outdated stuff that used to work 5 years ago and it doesn't today, right? I mean, if you want to become a doctor, anything, if you want to get results, you should work with someone one-on-one personally. Watch over their shoulders on the Zoom calls, right? As they are setting up campaigns together with you. So that's the whole point. I don't know how much this is worth to you, but if you could make $5,000 to $20,000 extra per month on Clickbank or any other network, would it be worth spending, I don't know, $5,000 to $10,000 to get someone to help you to get the results, to start making the money, right? And actually understand that once you can become pro super affiliate, you can actually help your family. You can go around, as you can see on my Instagram, right? And actually have connection or relationship with someone, right? How many gurus are willing to pick up the phone and talk to you? None, right? No, they don't even reply to your emails. They send you the automated bots, right? So I'm willing to talk to you, but only if you're serious. Do not reach out to me if you don't have any money, okay? Because I cannot help you. You need to have some money, okay? In this game of affiliate marketing, you do need some money, right? If you're scared to invest, let me show you the example. Let's say the average order value on Clickbank, right? Average order value. Let's say it's $150, okay? USD. So it means you're making, let's say, $130 commissions per sale, right? So there are upsells. Upsells mean people can buy more, or down sales, right? Or cross sales, so they can buy more. So you can make $300 or more from one sale, from one person recurring every single month. You see the power of affiliate marketing and recurring passive commissions. You see? I hope it makes sense, right? Because here I'm showing you exactly what it works and how you can get these $2,000 days or more. It's possible, but you have to be serious. You have to invest some money, and maybe 3 hours per week, 4 hours per week. If you have that, you're good to go. Because you don't have to watch crap. You don't have to sit and watch 8 hours long daily videos about some course. You're actually working together with me, together with someone, and putting things into action, right? We set up the done for you quiz funnel with functional questions that move people. Because so what is funnel? Like click funnels. What is funnel? Funnels are only steps of decision making steps. You see, a person is making decisions. They go from the job of Facebook ad or Google ad is we put them to the problem state, and out of the problem state we take them to the solution state, and then they watch Clickbank VSL and then they buy the product. You see how this works, right? So if you want to get results, if you want to have someone to help you, and once in a life start getting results, then let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe. You can join my free Facebook group, right? There is also my WhatsApp number, my Facebook, my email, and also my Instagram. Okay, so you can follow me there and DM me. So you need to follow me so I can accept you, or you can text me the DM message, okay? So let me know, and I hope it makes sense. You can get results, and once for a while start getting some results online. All right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips, and see you in the next one.